This beast does not look like any camper van you have ever seen, and that is entirely the point. Meet the IVECO Ouba Shanhai, a full-time four-wheel drive off-road camper van with 3 differential locks, front and rear winches, a roof that rises to reveal a sleeping area for 2, and ground clearance so high it makes a Tank 300 look like a family hatchback. This thing was built for people who want to go further, stay longer, and sleep better than anyone else on the trail. But can a camper van this tough actually deliver a comfortable life on the road? Let's take a look. Hit the road with endless miles. Let's start with the price context. The IVECO Ouba Shanhai is a custom-modified, purpose-built off-road camper van, and pricing varies depending on the specification and options chosen by each customer. What you are getting is not an off-the-shelf product. It is a vehicle engineered from the ground up for serious all-terrain travel, and the level of hardware packed into this build reflects that philosophy at every single turn. The foundation of this machine is the IVECO Ouba Shanhai chassis, and this is a proper body-on-frame platform. Not a unibody van with some lifted suspension. A genuine truck-grade body-on-frame structure that allows for a legal 2-ton towing rating, gives you the structural rigidity to handle the worst terrain imaginable, and provides the mounting points needed to bolt on serious recovery equipment without compromising the vehicle's integrity. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter F1C series turbo diesel engine, producing 180 horsepower and 430 Newton-meters of torque. That is a serious amount of pulling power for a camper van this size. And paired with a German ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, this is one of the very few hardcore off-road camper vans in the market with a full automatic gearbox, filling a genuine gap in the segment. You get the go-anywhere capability without the manual gearbox fatigue on long trails. The drivetrain configuration is where the Ouba Shanhai separates itself from every soft roader pretending to be an expedition vehicle. This is a full-time 4-wheel drive system with 3 differential locks, front, middle, and rear. You can switch freely between high-speed and low-speed 4-wheel drive modes depending on the terrain. The most commonly used setting is 4 high, which distributes power roughly 30% to the front and 70% to the rear for efficient everyday driving. When things get serious and you need maximum traction, switching to low range delivers full torque output to all 4 corners. It also comes with hill descent control for steep downhill sections and level 2 driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and driver fatigue monitoring. This is a vehicle that takes care of you as much as you take care of it. After modification, the Ouba Shanhai measures 5.6 meters in length, 2.1 meters wide, and 2.68 meters tall. The original unmodified chassis sat at 2.5 meters in height, but the high ground clearance pushes the total stance up considerably, giving this vehicle a commanding, aggressive presence on any road or off it. And that floor height is something customers immediately notice. For someone standing 1.77 meters tall, the floor sits at roughly waist level, giving the driver an elevated, commanding view of the road that no ordinary camper van can match. Now let's walk around the exterior, because this is where the Ouba Shanhai makes its boldest statements. Starting at the front, you are greeted by a heavy-duty custom bull bar that wraps the nose of the vehicle in serious steel. It is not decorative. It is functional protection for when the trail fights back. Mounted behind it is a 9,500-pound electric wind. That is over 4 tons of pulling capacity right at the front of the vehicle, ready to extract you from any situation the terrain throws at you. The headlights are complemented by 4 integrated LED spotlights mounted on the roof rack above, cutting through dust, fog, and darkness on any night drive. The wheels and tires deserve special mention. The original steel wheels have been replaced with custom-developed forged alloy wheels that are both lighter and stronger than the factory fitment. They are paired with deep-tread all-terrain tires developed specifically for this build, providing better grip on mud, sand, gravel, and rock than any standard highway tire ever could. Including the rear-mounted spare, there are 5 matching tires on this vehicle, and every single one means business. Moving along the driver's side, you will find 2 recovery boards mounted on the body, ready to be deployed under a wheel when the ground gives way beneath you. Beside them is a side-mounted ladder providing roof access, and a 30-liter rooftop water tank sits up top feeding leading into the exterior shower system. Behind the water tank is one of the more clever features of this build, a foldable shower tent. It unfolds beside the vehicle to create a private outdoor shower space. So after a day on the trail, you are not climbing back into the cab covered in mud. You rinse off outside, pack the tent away, and step into a clean interior. Thoughtful engineering. At the rear, the Ouba Shanhai continues to impress. A rear-mounted spare tire sits on a custom-developed bracket whose load-bearing points connect directly to the vehicle's frame, not the rear door. This is a critical detail. During heavy off-road driving, there is no risk of the spare tire shifting or damaging the rear door, regardless of how rough the terrain gets. A custom rear storage box sits beside it, and a second 9,500-pound electric winch is mounted at the rear as well. Front and rear winches. Because when you are pushing the limits of a trail, having recovery capability in both directions is not a luxury. It is a necessity. A towing hook with a 13-pin power connector completes the rear setup, giving you a legal 2-ton towing capacity for a trailer, a boat, or whatever your adventure demands. On the passenger side, a 3-meter awning extends outward to create a generous shaded area beside the vehicle. When fully deployed, it reaches 2.5 meters wide, providing enough space for outdoor cooking, dining, or simply sitting in the shade after a long drive. Extended side steps on both sides of the vehicle make getting in and out of this high-riding machine much easier, a practical touch that makes daily use far more comfortable. Now look up at the roof, because this is where the Ouba Shanhai hides its most impressive trick. The entire roof section houses an electric pop-up roof bed system with a remote control or a button press. The roof rises smoothly to reveal a sleeping area measuring 2.3 meters by 1.3 meters with an internal height of 1 full meter. That is genuinely comfortable sleeping space for 2 adults, and because the bed is elevated up on the roof, it frees up the entire rear interior for luggage, gear, and living space. A 100-liter rooftop storage box sits at the front of the roof rack alongside the LED spotlights, maximizing every inch of available space up top. Now let's step inside through the rear entry door, climbing the 2 integrated steps up into the cabin, and the first thing you notice is the sheer size of the rear space. With the bed lifted to the roof, the entire back section opens up into a surprisingly large, practical living and storage area. The interior height sits at approximately 1.52 meters, and the rear cargo space is genuinely cavernous, perfect for 2 people on an extended expedition with serious gear requirements. The interior of the Ouba Shanhai is deliberately focused. 2 rows of storage cabinets run along the walls, providing organized space for everything you need on a long trip. A portable toilet is included for off-grid convenience, and the ladder for roof bed access stows neatly inside when not in use. USB charging ports are built in, keeping your devices topped up no matter how far from civilization you are. The seating layout accommodates 6 people, with 3 seats in the front cab and 3 in the rear. And here is where the flexibility of this build becomes apparent. The rear seating can be configured in multiple ways depending on your preference. The standard setup includes a convertible seat option that transforms quickly into a large flat bed when you want to sleep inside at ground level rather than on the roof. Alternatively, a simple frame can be fitted between the wall panels to create a permanent rear horizontal bed while still maintaining generous storage space beneath and around it. A practical and affordable solution for those who prefer sleeping inside. The rear air conditioning system comes directly from the factory, an 8,000-watt unit that keeps the rear living space comfortable in any climate. Combined with the front cab climate control, the entire vehicle is covered regardless of what the temperature does outside. Step forward into the driver's cab, and the technology level immediately impresses. The multifunction steering wheel controls the large factory navigation display. A digital instrument cluster presents all critical driving information clearly. Front and rear streaming mirrors replace traditional glass mirrors, and the 360-degree surround view camera system eliminates blind spots entirely. Level 2 driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and driver fatigue monitoring all come as standard. Electronic parking brake, rear air conditioning controls, and a comprehensive off-road drive mode selector complete the package. The entire power system, it is worth noting, comes with a lifetime warranty. That is a level of manufacturer confidence you rarely see anywhere in the motorhome segment. Every color option on the Ouba Shanhai tells its own story. The silver all-terrain finish gives it a bold, purposeful military look. The desert yellow armored textured coating ordered by one Beijing customer gives it an aggressive, almost tactical presence that turns heads on any road. These are not vehicles that blend into traffic, and they are not meant to. So, is the IVECO Ouba Shanhai the ultimate off-road camper van for those who refuse to let the road stop them? 3 differential locks, front and rear winches, a pop-up roof bed, level 2 driver assistance, a lifetime powertrain warranty, and enough ground clearance to make most off-roaders feel inadequate. All in a legally registered vehicle you can drive on any road without restrictions. Let us know in the comments which color you would choose and where you would take this beast first. Want to see another off-road motorhome that laughs at the toughest terrain on Earth? If so, click on it and we will see you soon at Endless Mile.